going to show you how to make a gliding airplane. So if my tablet falls, because I'm making this first video, if my tablet falls, please don't get mad. Please subscribe. This is my first ever video. Please don't hate. So here we go. First, we're going to need some paper. Then the first thing I'm going to do is fold the paper in half. Okay? Fold it in half. Like this. You're going to crease it. We're going to let it sit. Crease it some more. Then we're going to open it. Then you just want to make, fold it like this. Let me show you guys. Like that. Okay. And then you're going to take the other flap and fold it like this. You don't have to be perfect. So then you're going to fold it all the way down. I'll show you guys. I'm going to fold it like that. So I'm going to take it, what you did, and then you're going to fold it all the way down to the tip of your crease. And you're going to crease it. It looks like an envelope. And watch my other video about the envelope I'm going to make after this. Okay. So then, you're going to see this? You're going to take this flap. Take this. Fold it. Okay, now you're going to do the same thing with the other flap. Take that. Fold it. And then you're going to, as you see if you got that. If you got that. But then, we're going to open this. Right? Okay, so then Ash first. I'm sorry. Okay, so then you got that. Okay. It's my summer, I'm sorry. This is my first video too. One of my first videos, I did rapping videos and stuff. But let's just keep it going there. Then as you see, I folded this flap up get this flap. Fold it up. Okay. Then we're going to fold it backwards. And as you see, this part start going in. So that's why I don't want to do that. So then you see, then you want to fold it backwards. And when I'm done making this airplane, I want to show you my other one I made. It's exactly like this, but I added more detail. It flies super good. Then you're gonna, I want to show you that after this airplane. And then you're gonna fold that flap. Okay. Fold the other flap. And then here's your product. And if you want to add a little bit of flaps on the wings, you can. That's what I'm doing. Help you do more curves. Okay, look at the finished product. Now let's see how it flies. You guys ready? Let's see how it flies.